American candy shop Grandpa Joe says if you relish pickles then this drink is a big deal. Puns aside, the pale green liquid is said to be crisp and refreshing, just like the fermented cucumbers. It comes in an old-fashioned glass bottle with a pretty label and we reckon it would make a great gift for any pickle lover. This fruity yogurt-flavored Fanta is currently sold in Japan. The brand doesn't sell anything like it elsewhere and it's described as tangy yogurt with sweet and mellow banana. The drink is similar to cloudy lemonade in color and reviewers say that it's extra fizzy and creamy tasting, with a heavy banana scent. Don't expect outrageous grass-like notes with essence of insects and hints of dirt from USA Soda and candy shop Rocket Fizz's novelty grass soda. The label says made and bottled in the USA, but online taste testers describe the flavor as sweet and herby like basil or wheatgrass. A limited edition holiday drink from Seattle-based Jones Soda Co. This gingerbread-inspired soda is golden brown in color like the organic, free-range, and gluten-free cookies it's made from. Reviewers say it's similar to ginger beer but spicier and with molasses notes. It's also said to taste great with roast pork. If you like this, you'll love these warming gingerbread recipes. Need a refreshing caffeine hit? Look no further than Manhattan Special Espresso Coffee Soda, which has been described as a chilled, bottled Americano with bubbles. It comes in a glass bottle with retro artwork and contains nothing but espresso, cane sugar, and carbonated water. Although it may scream hipster, it was actually first produced in 1895 and experiencing a resurgence. Every summer Pepsi releases a new, creative flavor in Japan, and in 2009 it was shiso soda, inspired by the Japanese herb from the mint family. Fluorescent green in color, the drink is said to taste quite strongly of the herb and isn't too sweet. Where's the beef? It turns out in this extremely potent teriyaki beef jerky soda produced by California-based Real Soda. It comes in a traditional glass bottle and once the lid is open, a meaty aroma takes over. It's said to taste similar to drinking soy sauce. Perhaps if you receive a bottle of this as a gift, save it for cooking. For something floral, balanced and delicate, try a lavender soda from Washington-based artisan fizz-a-drink brand Dry Sparkling. Its founder wanted to create high-end, non-alcoholic drinks that can be paired with food. Containing only carbonated water and natural flavorings, the drink is low-calorie, translucent, and comes in a sleek bottle. Give it a go with seared halibut, cheese, tiramisu, and hazelnut gnocchi. Love pumpkin pie? This tempting limited edition, fall-themed soda from Connecticut-based Avery's Beverages might be for you. The drink is lightly carbonated with vanilla, clove, cinnamon, peach, and butterscotch notes. Experts say it pairs well with a pork roast and mushroom gravy. Everybody loves ketchup, but tomato sauce soda? You can find this crazy creation at Pennsylvania and Ohio-based Grandpa Joe's Candy Shop. The producers say the drink, which is bright red, isn't just some gross flavor but a serious craft soda with the unique taste of ketchup. However, the idea still turns the stomachs of customers. What's not to love about sugary, buttery, vanilla-flavored soda? This celebratory drink is from Colorado-based Mauby Fizz and created to match the exact flavor profile of birthday cake. Reviews say it's spot on and we love the colorful funfetti label too. Prickly pears are actually not pears but the fruit of a cactus plant. They're sweet and fleshy like honeydew melon and strawberries. Confusingly, the prickly pear bottle label from Colorado-based Rocky Mountain Soda Company depicts a porcupine, but don't worry, no rodents were harmed in the making of this drink. Reviewers struggle to pin down its taste but comment it's refreshing. This intriguing drink is from Florida-based brand Global Beverage Enterprises. It comes in a delightful 7 ounces, 202 ml, bottle and is made with all natural ingredients. Sparkling and not too sweet, it's said to be crisp and refreshing like biting into a cucumber. The ideal drink for hot summer days or mixing into cocktails. Yes, you read that right. This bottle of soda produced by Pepsi in Trinidad and Tobago is made from the bark of the Mauby tree. It's boiled down and mixed with herbs and spices to produce a soft drink. Apparently it tastes exactly how you imagine bark would, bittersweet and similar to root beer. Chocolate fans will love this collaboration between Colorado-based Mauby Fizz and Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. Reviewers say it smells like hot cocoa powder and it has a bold chocolate taste. The mildly creamy and not too sweet drink is also fizzy, of course. Another limited edition specialty from Jones Soda Co., turkey and gravy soda was released for Thanksgiving in the 2000s in a pack alongside other festive flavors including Brussels sprouts, wild herb stuffing and cranberry. Although the label depicts a turkey and gravy dinner, the soda actually contains no meat extract. Its flavor is described as herby, similar to root beer. Japanese soda brand Ramune's range of inventive flavors includes everything from wasabi and kimchi to bubble gum and curry. The latter, pictured, is light orange in color and said to taste like lemon and lime with a slight curry aftertaste. Rocket Fizz's nostalgic soda range includes red licorice and black licorice flavored pop. The former is bright red and the latter is off black. Out of the two, black licorice is the winner in terms of having an accurate flavor profile, although you do need to like aniseed to enjoy it. Though this might seem like a wild, new age flavor, celery soda was first sold in 1869 at Jewish delicatessens in Brooklyn, New York. The ingredients of Dr. Brown's sodas are all kosher, so it was popular in the Jewish community and earned the nickname Jewish champagne. Ignore how you imagine it might taste, people describe it as sweet, tart, herby and fizzy, like a non-alcoholic gin and tonic. What might seem an outrageous concoction, Wonderfarm White Fungus Bird's Nest is a regular soda in Vietnam. Bird's Nest, the nests of swiftlets which are made from saliva, is considered a delicacy. White fungus is part of the mushroom family and eaten for its health benefits. The drink has visible fungus floating in it which may be off-putting, but it got positive recommendations from one reviewer who describes it as light, sweet, and broth-like. Since 2007, Fanta has sold the mystery fruit flavor in Japan. Even if you can't read Japanese, notice the question marks illustrating the label. People have to guess the two unknown flavors and enter their answers online to win cell phone ringtones as prizes. Dallas-based Meat Maniac thinks that everything tastes better with bacon. Alongside many other bacon-flavored products, it sells soda inspired by the cured pork. Mahogany in color, it's described as fizzy, sweet, refreshing and tasting like bacon. Surprisingly, it's suitable for vegetarians because it doesn't contain any animal products. Apparently, it also tastes good with whiskey. This bright green melon soda from Japanese brand Felice is a popular flavor and ships overseas through companies like Tokyo Treat. Another Japanese brand Ramune also has a melon cream soda flavor with sparkling honeydew melon notes and a sweet, creamy finish. We would buy Felice's version just for its adorable packaging. This is a popular drink in Mexico, produced by the Mexican soft drinks company Jarritos. The drink is inspired by tamarind, the sweet and sour fruit commonly used as a paste in cooking, and certainly lives up to the flavor profile. It is said to taste like carbonated lemon tea, slightly sharp, slightly sweet, and with a tea aftertaste. Colorado-based Lester's Fixins Buffalo Wing Soda is so orange in color, it looks radioactive. Its smell is slightly plasticky. The first taste is sweet and salty like an energy drink, followed by the spicy fieriness of ginger beer. We'd say it very loosely tastes like buffalo wings.
Please consider subscribing. subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.